In this video, I'm going to show you how to link XM to TradingView and explain how it actually works. First, if you're familiar with connecting brokers to TradingView, you might go to the top of the chart and click on Trade to see the list of supported brokers. Now, if you search for XM, you'll notice that it does not appear in the broker list. And here's the important part. You don't actually need to link XM to TradingView manually. XM already uses TradingView charts inside its own platform. If you open your XM dashboard, you'll see that the chart displayed there is powered by TradingView. That means you can use TradingView directly inside XM without connecting anything. On the left side, you'll find all the TradingView tools, such as trend lines, drawings, text tools, and measurements. You can also change chart types, add indicators, adjust timeframes, and modify chart settings just like you would on TradingView's website. So even if you close the chart and reopen it, you'll see that it behaves exactly like a TradingView chart. Because of this built-in integration, there's no need to connect XM to TradingView separately. You can do all your technical analysis directly inside the XM platform using TradingView features. And that's it. That's how XM works with TradingView. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.